Let's dive into writing JSX, which allows us to write HTML in JavaScript. It is a powerful feature in React that simplifies building user interfaces. JSX is a syntax extension for JavaScript that allows you to write HTML-like code directly in your JavaScript files. It makes React components more readable and intuitive. It combines the power of JavaScript with HTML structure and gets compiled to regular JavaScript function calls. Here's a basic example to illustrate the difference between writing React code without JSX and with JSX. Without JSX, you would use React.createElement to define an element, specifying the tag name, properties, and content. With JSX, you can write HTML-like syntax directly, which is more concise and easier to read. When writing JSX, keep in mind these essential syntax rules. First, JSX must return a single parent element. Second, all JSX elements must be properly closed. Third, use className instead of class for applying CSS classes. Fourth, attribute names should use camel case. Let's illustrate the single parent element rule. The code on the left violates this rule by returning two separate elements, an h1 and a p tag, without a common parent. The code on the right demonstrates the correct way. It wraps both the h1 and p elements inside a div, satisfying the rule of having a single parent element. To embed JavaScript expressions in JSX, use curly braces. For example, you can insert a variable value or the result of a calculation directly into your JSX code. This allows for dynamic content rendering based on JavaScript logic. In JSX, some attributes have different names compared to HTML. For instance, use className instead of class, HTML for instead of for, and attribute names are written in camel case. This ensures compatibility with JavaScript syntax and avoids naming conflicts. In JSX, all tags must be properly closed. Unlike HTML, self-closing tags like input, image, break, and horizontal rule require a // before the closing bracket. This ensures that the JSX is valid and can be correctly interpreted by the compiler. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.